By the time you reach a senior role, ADHD doesn't disappear, it changes shape. Junior work is mostly about proving you can do the task, so support looks like guidance, someone showing you how. But senior work isn't the task anymore, it's prioritization, judgment, and strategy. So ADHD stops looking like needing help to do the work, and the support that actually helps is no longer hand-holding, it's scaffolding. At this level, ADHD shows up in three specific places. 1. Prioritization. Not one task, but a dozen important things at once, and ranking them takes sustained executive effort. 2. Administrative friction. The same admin drag from before, now scaled up. Approvals, reporting, overflowing inboxes. 3. Sustaining energy on long-term, non-urgent strategy. The interest-driven brain is brilliant in a crisis, but distant work offers no spark. Notice what's not on the list. Needing someone to explain how to do the job. That competence is already there. Here's the distinction that matters, and there's real science behind it. Hand-holding means step-by-step direction. Check the how, correct the details, stay close. It supplies knowledge and skill. Scaffolding means setting clear priorities and guardrails, removing friction, then getting out of the way. It supplies structure, not instructions. Russell Barkley's research is blunt here. ADHD is a performance problem, not a knowledge problem. More how-to doesn't help. External structure at the point of performance does. So micromanaging a capable person with ADHD is the wrong tool. It strips the autonomy that drives them and never touches the actual gap. That reframes the manager's job into 3 moves. First, strategic alignment. Make the priorities crisp, what matters most, and just as important, what to drop. Second, macro constraints. Guardrails and boundaries instead of steps. Autonomy, but inside a clear frame. Third, operational scaffolding. Absorb the admin friction and add external structure at the point of performance. A real deadline, a standing review, an operations partner. Each move answers one of the 3 pressure points directly. And here's the payoff, because this is where ADHD becomes an advantage. With priorities clear, urgency engineered in, and friction absorbed, the interest-driven brain finally has a target. Hyperfocus lands on the highest impact problem and produces work most people can't match. Without that scaffolding, the same energy scatters. Hyperfocus chases whatever's most stimulating, while the real strategy quietly stalls. Same person, same wiring. The scaffolding decides where all that intensity goes. So the headline is simple: scaffolding, not hand-holding. A capable person with ADHD doesn't need to be managed more closely. They need the conditions that let their wiring do its best work. Align the priorities, set the guardrails, absorb the friction. It's good management for anyone, but here it's the difference between stalling and soaring. And it runs both ways. The strongest move you can make is to build that scaffolding for yourself.